How to remove ads from Samsung phone A04. First, opt out of personalized ads. Open up your settings app, then go to privacy or security and privacy. Tap other privacy settings or customization services. Toggle off customize ads and direct marketing. This limits Samsung's use of your data for targeted ads. Then disable marketing notifications in Samsung apps. Open up Samsung apps like Galaxy Store or Samsung Play. Then tap the menu, which is a 3-lined. Then go to settings and turn off marketing information or promotions. Then block pop-up and push ads. So go to settings, notifications, app notifications. Find apps like Samsung Push Service, Galaxy Store, and Samsung Pay. Turn off promotional notifications for each app. Then remove the ads from Samsung's internet blocker. Open up Samsung Internet. Tap the menu, then go to the settings, privacy dashboard, and enable block pop-ups. In the menu, go to ad blockers and install a recommended ad blocker plugin. Then you want to uninstall suspicious apps, so go to settings and then go to apps. Look for unfamiliar or suspicious apps that might have shown ads and uninstall them. Follow these steps will significantly reduce or eliminate ads on your Samsung A04 using only official and safe methods. Subscribe.